In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Roblox. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Roblox application and then hit at that three dots icon. Now, here, scroll down for a bit and get into Settings. Next, tap Add Security. There, where it says Security, hit on that and select Account Info. Now there will be all your account information, including display name, username, password, phone number and email address. Just hit on that pencil icon just beside the password. And there all you have to do to change a password is enter your current password, then enter new password and then confirm it and hit on update. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.